If you are making your model like this, then you are wasting your time because it takes a way too much time. Instead, do this. Add a plane, rotate it along x-axis, go to edit mode and press M and select merged at center. Now grab the single vertex and adjust it with your reference image and press E to extrude the vertex and follow the outline of the model in the reference image until you reach the top. Once you're done, select all the vertices and go to the spin tool. Click and drag the plus icon until the full shape appears. Then in the spin menu, set the angle to 360. Then finally apply shade smooth and your model is ready. Follow for more interesting videos.